You've probably heard that a kid's zip code can pretty much shape their future. Let's find out why. A new research project in Michigan is trying to answer that exact question. For decades, we've known it's linked to things like depression, anxiety, and behavioral issues. But these problems we see today didn't just pop up out of nowhere. They have deep historical roots. This study looks at how a history of structural racism is still shaping lives right now. We're talking about deliberate policies, things that were designed to segregate communities. Take this redlining map, for example. Those hazardous areas, they were often minority communities starved of investment. The key is connecting those past injustices directly to what we see in Michigan today. To do that, the team is going to measure something called the neighborhood exposome. Basically, it breaks down a neighborhood's environment into 3 key parts. First, the built environment. Think parks, roads, and the quality of housing. Second, the social environment. This is all about the social fabric, like poverty and crime rates. And third, the toxic environment. We're talking hidden dangers like pollution in the air and water. So how will this project actually connect all these dots? Here's the plan. First, they're digging into historical records, mapping exactly where these policies happened. Then, they'll track how those neighborhood exposomes have changed over the last 20 years. Finally, they'll link those old maps to the health of kids living there today. This gets at the how the neighborhood today is a bridge from the past to the present. It's the first study to look at all 3 of these factors together over time. Why does all this matter? It's not just about history, it's about the future. The findings could actually change things, guiding policies on green space or even Michigan's highways. By understanding the roots of the problem, we can help create healthier communities for every child. Because a child's future shouldn't be written by a map drawn before they were even born.